Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn a photo into a 3D figurine with Google Gemini in just a few simple steps. Open the Google Gemini tab in your browser to start a new chat session. Click the plus upload button in the bottom left corner to open the upload menu. Click Upload Files and a File Explorer window opens. Select the photo you want to turn into a figurine. In this example, I'm choosing person.png. Click the Upload arrow button to attach the image to your chat. Click in the Ask Gemini text box and type your figurine prompt. I'm asking it to turn the person in this photo into a 1/7 scale collectible figurine, realistic PVC figure with visible sculpted detail and a slight plastic sheen, standing on a round, clear acrylic base, keeping the clothing, hair, and pose exactly as in the photo. Click the Submit arrow button to send your prompt. Gemini generates your figurine image and displays it in the chat. Click on the generated image to open it full size. Click the back button to return to the chat view. Click in the Ask Gemini box again and type a scene prompt. I'm asking to show that figurine standing on a wooden desk beside a computer monitor with its printed retail box behind it showing the same figure on the front. Warm indoor lighting, realistic photography, shallow depth of field. Click Submit to generate the scene. The new image appears showing your figurine on a desk with product packaging. Click the image to view it full size. Click back to return to the chat. Click Ask Gemini and refine the camera angle. I'm typing same scene, low 3/4 camera angle, looking slightly up at the figurine, with the box slightly out of focus behind. Click Submit to generate the new angle. Gemini creates the revised composition with the camera positioned lower. Click to view it full size. Click back twice to return to the main chat view. Click the Download button on your preferred image to save it. Click Save in the dialog, and the image downloads to your default folder. Click the plus button and select Create Video from the menu. A dialog asks if you want to start a new chat. Toggle Don't Ask Me Again if you prefer, then click New Chat. The Create Videos interface opens. Click the plus upload button and choose Avatar from the options. Select the figurine image you just downloaded, and it uploads to the video chat. Click in the Describe Your Video box and type your camera motion prompt. I'm requesting a slow, smooth camera orbit around the figurine on the desk. The figurine stays completely still, shallow depth of field, warm indoor light, no camera shake. Click the Submit arrow to start generating the video. Gemini renders your video and displays it in the chat with a preview thumbnail. Click Download Video to save it. The video opens in a player window. Click Play to preview the orbit animation. Click the Download button to save the video file. Click Save in the dialog and the download completes. Navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click the video file to open it. Click Play to watch the final camera orbit around your 3D figurine. The quality of your figurine depends heavily on the source photo. Clear lighting and a simple background give the best results. If the first generation doesn't match your pose or clothing accurately, try rephrasing your prompt to emphasize keeping those details exact, or upload a different angle of the same person. For the video step, be specific about camera movement and mention that the figurine itself stays still. Otherwise, Gemini sometimes animates the subject as well. The download buttons save at full resolution, so you get the highest quality Gemini generated for that image or clip. And that's how to turn a photo into a 3D figurine with Google Gemini. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.